Today we're reviewing a carry solution that pairs elegance with rugged practicality. The MASC vertical shoulder holster, custom fit for the 5-inch Colt Python. Whether you're a range shooter, enthusiast, or a collector looking for secure carry options, this one's worth a look. I purchased this on Amazon for $193.75. Let's get to unboxing. Look at the back, in case you would like to read. Assembly instructions, some promotional flyers, a nice little sticker. First off, build quality. To give some context for quality, we have to look at leather. There are different classes of leather, each having their own characteristics in terms of durability. These classes are bonded leather, which is the lowest grade, split leather, genuine leather, top grain leather, and the highest quality being full grain leather. Now, a whole video can be made discussing leather quality for the leather nerds out there. However, today's focus is the holster. This holster itself seems to be made from top grain leather, while the straps here seem to be made from bonded or bound leather, listed here. You can feel the craftsmanship right away. Stitching is tight, the molding is precise, and the leather has a nice thickness to it. Not too stiff, not too soft. Now, the vertical carry design keeps your Colt Python positioned muzzle down, which is ideal for longer barrels like the 5-inch. Now let's give a little preview of the fit of the holster. Definitely a very snug fit. Actually very tight right out the box, but the retention is solid thanks to the custom molding. Now, one characteristic of higher quality leathers like top grain, which this holster seems to be, is that over time leather becomes more pliable and flexible with use. You're having trouble buckling this down. And we're in business. Very snug. Gotta break it in a little bit. Belt strap. Now, the shoulder harness is fully adjustable and the straps distribute weight evenly. Once I get these measured and the studs put in, I will go ahead and show the finished product. I'll unpackage these studs to give a little bit of an extra. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop these straps through these and determine a length that will fit my body. I'll first need to slip a strap through here and through there. And just for demonstration purposes, I will go ahead and pick this. For my length. And to secure the length, in addition to this bracket here, I'll use a stud. Look like that. And this attaches to your belt for further support. Go ahead and do that for the other speed loader pouches. Okay, after about 15 minutes of adjusting and readjusting, this is the finished product. Just for those setting this up, the rear strap goes here. If you're right-handed and you're doing a cross draw from the left side, rear strap gets attached to this bracket right here, and then the front side gets attached to here. And for the speed loaders, it's in a similar fashion. I have some snap caps here with a speed loader, and we can see if simulate what it will look like, or if it will fit. Fits nice and snug. I'm sure it will be a little bit more pliable after some use, but One interesting fact about this holster is that it was handmade in Turkey. I mean, check this out. I was in my UPS package. So, okay, now that we have everything configured, let's try it on. All right. Nice and snug. Feeling like I'm in the movies. Just to give you a reference, here's a nice little sports coat. Now I'm not able to button it up, and it clearly shows when it's like that. So this is more of a slim fit blazer, and I gotta leave it open or else it'll be obvious. State your business. Get off my lawn. I know there's a Smith & Wesson reference, but go ahead, make my day. Says you can't have a little fun. After wearing it for a few minutes, I have a few things to note. The shoulder harness is fully adjustable and the straps distribute weight evenly. The draw is smooth with a break-in period. The thumb brake strap snaps easily, and after a few practice draws, it becomes intuitive. This is a great option if you're looking for concealment with a longer revolver or want a stable rig for hiking, field use, or even range carry. I mean, you saw what it looks like underneath that blazer. The vertical configuration also minimizes printing, and the natural hang of the revolver keeps it from poking under layers. It's also a plus if you're moving or bending frequently. The gun stays close to your body without shifting. Now, at around $200, the MASC vertical shoulder holster isn't cheap, but you're paying for the handmade quality, real leather, and precise fit. Compared to some generic nylon options, it's a major upgrade in both function and style. In short, if you're carrying a Colt Python, especially the 5-inch variant, and want a leather rig that's both practical and great looking, the MASC vertical shoulder holster delivers. It blends comfort, control, and craftsmanship in one solid package. Thank you for watching. If you're into classic firearms, gear reviews, or just appreciate good leather work, hit that like and subscribe. Stay sharp and stay safe.